In this video, I want to show you how to start any vehicle with your KeyFob battery remotely from outside the vehicle. So for example, this is a Nissan, but it doesn't matter if you have a Honda, a Hyundai, a Kia, whatever that you have. If you have the key that can remotely start from outside, I'll show you what to look for. So for example, this is a Nissan Altima, and it's got that. So look at your key fob that you have to start your car with, and look for that little button on the very top that looks like a circle arrow. So for example, I'll start it from inside my house in the morning to warm it up before I go in, and it'll usually reach about 100 feet. All right, so in order to start up the car from outside, the only thing you have to do is look for the lock button, which is the second button here, and you firmly press it once, and then you hold down the return button, that circle on the very top. So let me go ahead and do that. I want to firmly tap the lock, and then I'm going to hold down that arrow button. And that started it. And it will stay on. It doesn't matter what brand that you have. It will stay on for a good 10 minutes. And if you do not go in there and hold down the brake and hit the start button, it'll automatically shut off for safety reasons. Once you're inside the car, the only thing you have to do is just hold down the brake button and then hit the start button, and then you're good to go. For whatever reason, if you hit reverse and you do anything besides that, it'll just automatically turn off and you'll have to start it manually. All right, so if for whatever reason, if your key fob does not start it like I showed you up there, it may be that your key fob battery is weak. And so that's what happened with this Nissan. The battery got weak. I replaced the battery, and then it started working again. You'll find that 95% of all cars, regardless if it's a Honda, a Toyota, whatever, will use this 2032 model CMOS battery. And you can get these at Walmart. You can get them at the dollar store or anywhere. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can just pick one of these up on Amazon. It'll get to you in a couple of days, and that will work with the majority of key fobs. All right, thank you so much for watching.